Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable True FA for Google account on Android. If you want to enable True FA or two-step verification of your Google accounts, you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Google tab and here just tap on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and here just select manage your Google account and now scroll this to the right and select security. Now scroll down and here you will get the option of two-step verification which is off. So just tap on it and here you will get the option to enable two-step verification. First you just have to verify yourself and now we are going to enable two-step verification. Here's that. Turn on two-step verification. Just tap on it and now you can see I have successfully turned on two-step verification on my phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.